In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 websites that provide lots of freelance opportunities for freelancers in Nigeria. And I also went further to research top 4 highest paying freelance jobs for people that want to make money using freelance as an opportunity. But before then, my name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is I go source out great ways on how anyone can make money online, entrepreneurship, side hustle. I vet these updates out, I do the research, I do the heavy lifting, and I bring the end product back to my viewers so we all can make money together. Now, the only thank you give to me is to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also like this video so we can push it out to as much Nigerians or as much people looking for ways to make money online. Now, without wasting much time, let's actually get started with this. So, I'm going to be honest and upfront with you guys, okay? There are actually lots of job opportunities out there, but at the same time, there are lots of people looking for this job. So what you have to do is you have to position yourself strategically in a way that allows you to stand out. Now, how do you do that? You do that by not going on Google and searching for job opportunities in Nigeria or freelancing opportunities in Nigeria. No, you come on these websites that I'm about to share with you guys, and then you impute this top 4 highest paying freelancing opportunities for Nigerians, right? So the first website, I'm just going to lay out the 4 websites at the same time. So I'll suggest you get a pen and paper so you can jot them down, or just save them somewhere with your phone. And then I'm going to go through the process, like show you guys how to actually search for these job opportunities using just this one website, but you can replicate it on all 4 websites, okay? So the first website is actually called jubu.org, right? I'm going to flash that on the screen. And the second website, here's the second website, just a minute. Here's the second website, myjobmag.com, okay? And the third website is called Indeed. The fourth website is linked, but I don't know why my linked isn't loading. But that's the fourth website, okay? Now, what are the 4 highest paying freelancing opportunities currently in Nigeria that any Nigerian can start leveraging on to make money for themselves? So the number one highest paying freelancing opportunity right now currently in Nigeria is copywriting. So you can come on here and just search for like copywriting or freelance writing. Let's say copywriting. And please always make sure that your location is set for Nigeria, okay? Ensure that your location is set for Nigeria across all platforms, okay? So let's allow this to load up a bit. My network is kind of slow. So here we can see freelance writing. There are actually job opportunities for if you are like a writer. You can see this job was posted like 27 days ago. This is for freelancers. Meet and exceed sales goals through prospecting, cold call, warm calls, etc. Identify and understand customer leads. This is another one, creative writing. This was posted like 17 days ago. This is writing support assistant, posted 20 days ago. This is coding instructor. Now this is not for writing, okay? Now you can see freelance writer. This was posted like 27 days ago. You can see copywriter, writer, AI training project. So you can just and here's the thing, right? Once you get these opportunities, like once this gigs pops up, all you just have to do now is send out your applications to these companies. And I would suggest you guys should send out as much applications as possible, giving you an edge. So at least if you send out like say 30 to like 50, 60 applications in a day, you could potentially get like maybe 5 or 10 responses from these companies, because there are actually a lot of people looking for jobs. Okay, so now you can just go to the next. You even saw that they were independent writer. I think I saw something like that. Independent something. Okay, so you can head on to the next website and put in the same thing like freelance writer, your location. Ensure your location is set to Nigeria if you're in Nigeria, and if you're in a different country, ensure your location is set to a different country, to whatever country you're in, right? And do the same for Indeed. Put the job title that you're looking for, your location, right, and click on find jobs. Do the same thing for linked as well. Now the second high paying freelance opportunity out there is sales representative. And in a moment, I'm just going to share with you guys why sales representative right now is currently in high demand. Representative. Now, a lot of companies currently are looking for people that can go out there and represent their company, right? Be it in sales or, whatever, basically, right? And if that's something you're good at, you can actually apply for one of these positions. You can see on here, sales representative. This was posted like 4 days ago, Victoria Island. Right, you can see sales representative. This was posted 13 days ago. These are all job opportunities, right? This is just to show you that there are job opportunities out there, but you have to know the right platform to go on and how to strategically search for these opportunities. And this one is in Ikeja, Lagos. This one was posted 4 days ago. This is in Lagos as well. Alright, this is in Abuja, this is in Lekki, this is in Lagos 22 days ago, this is 13 days ago, this is 10 days ago. So I'll suggest you guys take your time to go through all of these websites. This is like in Ibadan 25 days ago. Okay, you can still do the same thing across like all these platforms, right? These different websites. And once these job opportunities pops up, just like I said, do how to like apply for these jobs across all these platforms. Send as many applications as possible so you can be able to leverage on the opportunity and get some sort of like response, maybe like 1, 2, 5 responses, 10 responses, depending on how many job applications you can be able to send. Okay, now so the third highest paying freelancing opportunity out there is social media manager. Social media manager is currently in demand, in very, very high demand. Now, if you have some sort of like social media management skill, you don't have to just solely use this for yourself. You can use this to start making money for yourself from the comfort of your home, as a matter of fact. And you can see this is like social media ad manager volunteer. Oh, this is like a volunteer. We ain't looking for we want to make money, not to volunteer. You can see like social media manager. This in Lagos was posted like 5 days ago. You can see social media manager as well. This in ABJ was posted a month ago. This social media manager, volunteer as well. We don't need volunteers. Alright, we don't need volunteers. We want to make money. Social media website manager. This is in Yaba, Lagos, a month ago. Right, this is social media community manager. So this is just to show you that there are lots and lots and lots of opportunities out there, right? And you can still go and do like you can still search for these across this 4 websites as well. Why I don't want to do this manually is because I don't want this video to be longer than a specific number, maybe like 8 minutes. That's why I'm just saying you guys should do the search yourself across these platforms. Okay. Now the last highest paying freelance opportunity out there is I think office assistant. Office assistant, not I think. Office assistant. Right. Always ensure your location is set to your specific country. You can see office assistant. This was even posted just 1 day ago in Lagos. Right. You can see another office assistant in Abuja 21 days ago. What's this? 5,000 naira per month. No, we ain't looking for those kind of jobs. You can see office assistant / secretary, Central Abuja district a month ago. This was posted 6 days ago in Ikoyi, Lagos. All right. You can see cleaner office assistant 6 days ago, personal assistant 6 days ago. So these are ways that anybody can actually really make money for themselves if they're serious. All right. This is 4 days ago. This is 5 days ago. It was posted. Right. This is 1 day ago. This was posted 7 days ago. Right. And you can just I just saw something right now. So I think I saw my job mag. Right, myjobmag.com. That's just to show you that like this platform really have these opportunities, right? And this is my job mag now that I'm telling you guys of. So you can come on here and type in one of these highest paying freelance opportunities in Nigeria and then fill out the form, right? Like send out as much applications as possible so you can be able to get some sort of response for yourself. Because the truth is there are a lot of people actually looking for this job, and if you don't strategically position yourself well, you're actually going to miss out on these opportunities. Okay, now we've come to the end of today's video, and if you did gain any sort of value from this video, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell as well so you get notified when there's new content like this, and also give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now with all of that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, I'm out.